let me show you how I remade WhatsApp in just 48, not months, not days, but hours. You might say, well, it is just a chatting app. Easy. Let me spoil something for you. It was the complete opposite. And again, Mark Zuckerberg, please don't sue me. Also, I never understood why Mark Zuckerberg bought Instagram for $1 billion. He could have just gotten it for free on the App Store. The timer starts ticking and it is time to get started. Again, I ask the console politely to get its up and make me a website, or in the computer language npx create react app, and just like that we have something, but also it is nothing. Now let me show you how big of a difference the styling of your website makes. So here you see the login page I just made using the HTML language, which makes the structure of the website. Now you can see the same website but with the styling using CSS, which is responsible for the styling. And yeah, the difference is enormous. Also, you can see that I replaced the text input fields with just one button. Let me explain why. Using this button, user will be able to log in with its Google account. Why would I do that? Using Google accounts just puts the weight of account management off my and your shoulders. Now I don't need to manage accounts on the server, make registration page and password recovery system. On your side, there will not be a need to go through a lengthy registration process and email confirmation. You just log in and you have your username and picture already set up. You might say, why would I trust putting my Google details in your website? And well, you will not put your Google details in my website. You will be redirected to the official Google login page where you will be able to log in safely. And Google itself will ensure that I won't get access to the private data. And Google will only provide me with your profile name and picture. That is public anyway. So at the end, it is actually more safer to log in through Google than through custom-made login page. Now you can see the Google login in action. 40 hours left. We are logged in. It's time to make the main layout. I started by creating the contacts list on the left hand side. Also, on the top of the list we have a search bar where we will be able to search for a new contact. 37 hours left. Now I designed the chat layout itself. Hi, you. Well, that's an interesting way to start a conversation. Then I added a little tutorial for new users. The website's looking good. So the website is done, right? Well, for those that are new to my channel, let me introduce you to this little thing called backend. In simple words, frontend is what you see and the backend is what you cannot see but does all the work. And just because it is backend, I will get back to it tomorrow. And with 34 hours left, I went to bed. 24 hours left. Then the next day I woke up and now we have only 24 hours left. Now I only have to finish the backend, and it would be like a walk in the park, right? More like a walk in a... First, I made the search box work. You type in the username and it will show you the account. Note that the username should be copied exactly, including capitalization and spaces. Second, I tried to make that when you click on the account, it creates a new chat. Well, let's see. Now it should work. At this point, I might just quit coding for good. It should be fixed. Cannot read properly. Then learn how to read! And wait, I just noticed. What on earth is this? Let's pretend you did not see anything. Now we have a perfect circle. And also, the chat creation finally works. Let's go. 20 hours left. Okay, let's open the chat that we just made. Oh, no. Maybe now? Missing or soon you will be missing another programmer. And no way, it actually worked. We finally opened the chat. I will quickly add a profile picture and the name. There it is. 15 hours left. I am starting to think that I will not make it in time. But now, a quick word from our sponsor, codersuniversity.net. Coders University gets rid of the YouTube tutorial rabbit hole and gets straight to the point by getting you from knowing nothing to being an overall good programmer with the help of professor and other students. And if you are not sure yet if you can afford the membership, sign up for Coders University's free weekly newsletter and accelerate your learning journey without paying a penny. But now, back to the video. Let's see if I can make it in time. First, I had to load the messages. And I am just out of words. But now it should work. Well, yeah, you do not see any messages, but we have not written a single message yet. Now the message sending should work. Hi! Well, the good news is that we have a message, but the bad news is that there is no text. Actually, it was an easy fix. Now you see the whole message. How you are doing? Yes. 10 hours left. And now, with just 10 hours left, it is time to test the whole application by creating another account. Log in with Google, search for another account, and yeah. What should have been an easy fix turned out to be quite time consuming. But now, boom, we have created a new chat. Now I can click on the chat and say, hi. It works! No way! Do you know a guy named These? These what? These nuts! I hate you. Now let's message this user. You are a noob. Oh, I'm writing it to myself. Well, I guess I cannot argue that. And just with 5 hours left, I finally finished the project. Now I only have to deploy it. And just like that, I remade WhatsApp in just 48 hours. And well, of course, it is not the next messaging giant, but it was a good try. Now it is your time to go to the link in the description and sign up for my WhatsApp Remade and send me a dad joke to the account KZY Business. Also, if you are interested in the code, there will be a link to that too. But now, if you cannot find a partner to write messages to, then I have made a dating website just for you. Actually, I made that website in just 1 week, and it did not go as planned. Click to see how.